What's going on, guys? So we're back here working on the ATV again, and you can see I got some custom stuff going on up here. I fabbed up a front bumper for it. So I'll show you guys some footage of making it, a little bit of the process, and then I'll catch back up with you after that and go over the front bumper itself.
You know what TurboTax Live Expert can do your simple tax return for you for free. Each trip for limited.
Look at this big bad boy tire you got here. Anybody knows about tires, everything from getting ripped. Now, these are Hercules. This is the TerraTrack MT. Now, this is a premium SUV LTC. Tires looking good. So I'm only bringing my personal vehicle to a G-Technical accredited facility, which I know this is one, so I'm in good hands, right? That's right. Now, what are we going to use to make this thing look awesome?
We're going to be using G-Technical
And the application of that.
Yeah, it's a hand-applied product. It's going to give you increased slickness, long-term protection, and hydrophobics.
Freelance your skills like web design. Today and get some things done.
Hey, Ted. James. What are you up to?
Taking pictures of the house. We're getting ready to sell it.
You should just sell it directly to open door.
Hey, we got an offer already.
Around with any filters. We're not messing with any filters. In fact, great prices, fast shipping, and everything is there. And to go along with everything that we're talking about.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing is going to be making sure it engages with this gear, which we believe is the gear. And I don't know about you, Faye, but I would love to dig into all of the details of this transition and how it works, and we can make some certain.
All right, so just a little update here, working on this bumper. Got this lower piece set, cut, made the tabs. Everything was perfectly level. There we go. So that's level. I'm gonna go ahead and tack this bottom piece, and then from there kind of build up to this top piece consisting of these two bars. It's gonna sit a little bit in front of that lower piece, and then probably about right there. So let's tack this and then go from there. All right, so you can see it's tacked. Everything's still perfectly level. I got 3 tacks on each one on each end and one in the middle. So what I'm gonna do now is weld this up and then go up from there. Probably build these 2 legs off of this bottom piece. So. All right, so now that you guys have seen a little bit of the process, just give you kind of a quick overview of it. This is all actually leftover tubing from doing the cage on my bug. And so the bigger horizontal sections you see here are 1 5/8 chromoly, 083 wall, I believe. And the vertical bars are 1¼ chromoly. I'm not sure the wall thickness on those actually. So that's kind of the main portion of it, is those 2 bars across the top and then the one across the bottom. You know, they get smaller as you go down. Then there's vertical pieces. Then I made tabs to go back to your factory mounting locations from the original bumper. So it's kind of similar. Let me get the old bumper out and I'll kind of show you guys the similarities. So I got the factory bumper out. You can see this one's a little mangled, but it's kind of, you know, angle-wise similar to the factory bumper as far as it kind of coming out from the bottom. So the vertical tubes come out at a 75-degree angle, and then they have a little kind of kick up at the end for those top 2 tubes to sit on. So this portion is actually level, and then off of here I got a 3/8 rod going back over and coming forward again that I bent up. And it also ties in back here. I made a tab going back to the factory mounting place for this cage right here, which houses the factory headlights. So this tied into kind of the upper part of the bumper, and then had that 1 tab on the back, and then there's 3 little rubber pieces for the lenses, or the housings. So yeah, it's just a rod going back and then tied into that mount. And then I got tabs coming forward to mount these LED pods onto. These are just your typical run-of-the-mill Chinese LED light pods, but they just got studs sticking down the bottom of them. So those will be bolted on. I haven't wired them up yet, but I'm not sure how I'm going to wire them up, because I'd like to have kind of a low beam and high beam setup. So one of my other thoughts was having like a 4-inch LED bar in here, or a 6-inch, whatever I can fit. And having that as a high beam, or both of them on when the high beams are on, and then only one of them for the low beam side of things. But anyways, I got to figure that out, and then I'm sure you guys will see if I make a decision on that and get some more lighting on this thing. And then I'm also going to have a plate here that says Dowco Enterprises, so I got to get that water jet out and weld it on there. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Welding's getting a little better. You can kind of see in there. So it's all TIG welded. So yeah, got the plastics on, got that figured out, and it came out pretty good, I'd say. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode, and I'll go over the foiler as a whole and show you guys where we're at with that. So until next time.